Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. If you have applied for an ICL assistant examination this year and worried about how to prepare GA, I'm going to clear all your confusion with the support of this short video. So watch till end. So in this particular examination, you had the examination date in two phases. Phase 1 will be 27th of August. Phase 2 where your general awareness will be there as a part of one of the major part of your examination that will be scheduled on 30th of October. Now, in general awareness, you will be able to see 40 questions, 40 marks and 15-minute time they will be providing. 15-minute means you are not going to get multiple statement-based question like consider correct statement given among the following. That statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 and you need to find out correct or incorrect statement. You will not get that type of question. Question will be direct. Difficult level can be up and down, but questions are going to be direct. Questions आपके direct होंगे. Now, maximum number of questions from which area we can expect? Banking awareness will come or not? We should cover the banking awareness or not? Everything I will let you know. So, current affairs will have approximately 12 to 14 questions. Current affairs means from the topic like news of national importance, news of international importance, international organization like WHO, WTO, World Bank, IMF, these type of organization, you will be able to get recent questions. You will be able to get at around 12 to 14 questions. Then banking awareness. In the banking awareness topic, there are few topics. Last time also they asked the question like payment settlement. There was question regarding UPI circle related एक question आपके पास examination में था. PIDF related payment infrastructure development fund related question was there in the examination. So current affairs along with that banking awareness is also important for this examination. आते हैं banking के topic. I will give you the list. Then insurance awareness. Most of the question in the insurance awareness will be from the current. So recent circulars of IRDAI. Recent update like IRDAI news. Recently, IRDAI have given the approval to which insurance company to act as a health insurance company. Which of the following company going to become the first foreign reinsurance company in India? Exact question I am telling you for upcoming examination. ये question आ सकता है. Which of the following company became the first to act as a foreign reinsurance company working in India? As an Indian company. ऐसा question आपके पास देखने के लिए मिल सकता है. ठीक है? Then economy budget related 3 to 4 questions will be there. Government scheme is an important topic, 3 to 4 questions. It means the preparation is not completely different if you're preparing for IBPS PO, SBI PO, RRB PO. For these examination, 70 to 80% of your preparation will be common. आपका preparation common है, 70 to 80%. Only the insurance awareness part you need to prepare separately. Remaining things are same, almost same. बाकी चीजें तो same है. Report and indices you need to cover there also, here also. Sports and news you need to cover there also, here also. Static GK based on the current affairs you need to cover there also, here also. Common है ये वाला area. ठीक है. Now phase 2 exam will be on 30th of October 2026. Most important months are going to be September, August, July, 3 months. Most important. Maximum questions are going to be there from the last 4 months. So June, July, August, September. In 4 months को मैं रखूंगा top priority पर. Precautionary we can cover 1st to 15th of October. If you want, you can skip also. Why? Maximum 2 questions you can expect from 1st to 15th of October. Maximum 2. Maximum 2. But if you have not prepared near to examination, I would not suggest to start October. If you have time, instead of starting the October month, you should revise August, September, June, July, August, September. आप इनको revise करने पे focus करो instead of starting a new month current affairs just before the examination. So that is your choice. But 1 to 2 question you can expect between 1st to 15th of October. 1 से 2 question आपके आएंगे. Most important topics are going to be in the current affairs. News of national importance. सबसे important topic है. Second है news of international importance. Summits in which India have recently participated. Any type of event, international event which is conducted in India, including defense exercises which are conducted in India or India participated into that. India have signed any type of international agreement like Pax Silica, India have signed. So these type of agreement, वो सारे आपके questions बन जाएंगे. Then government scheme topic common everywhere. Banking financial news, I have told you the weightage around 3 to 4 question you can expect from this area. And in the last insurance awareness, that's to always try to cover based on the news. News के ऊपर आपके पास ज्यादा question बनेंगे compared to the static insurance awareness. Static insurance awareness will be more important at the time of interviews. Whenever you are going for NIACL AO interview, NICL AO, UIACL AO, So static insurance awareness is more important in interview compared to the written examination. This differentiation you need to understand. Written means it will be focused on current affairs or recent update part in the insurance. Insurance के recent update part पर question बनते हैं. Now in the national affairs, what are the topic we need to cover? News of national importance. What are the topic? Cabinet approval recent time. The bill passed by the parliament in the monsoon session. Monsoon session recently completed, going on at present. The day I am recording the session, it is going on. So cabinet approvals from there. Then important bills in the parliament. Then new missions which are launched in India. MOU signed by India. Ranking and index. Government initiative. Then international affairs, exactly same. BRICS, G20, SEO, BIMSTEC, UN, United Nations, International Monetary Fund, World Bank, AIIB, ADB, these organizations. Then insurance terminologies based on which static question is possible, like which of the following term is related to underwriting, which of the following consider like co-payment, which of the following statement justify insurable interest, this type of question. So one or two question from the static part you can expect, but majority of the question will be from the current update in insurance. ज़्यादातर question current update पर होंगे insurance में. So news of national importance, ranking and index, targeted year, portal launched by the government of India. These are the areas based on which you can expect maximum question. This is going to be an important topic. Last 5 months IRDAI न्यूज, IRDAI सर्कुलर्स, इनको कवर करना है. सेकंड टॉपिक होगा आपके पास इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस इन न्यूज. सो दीज टू टॉपिक्स आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर मुझसे बोला जाए आदित्य सर जस्ट शॉर्टलिस्ट 5 टॉपिक्स, सो आई वुड से यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू कवर इंश्योरेंस companies and IRDAI news, topic number 1. Second topic, news of national importance. Third topic, news of international importance. Fourth topic, government scheme. Fifth topic, फाइनेंस रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. तो ये 5 टॉपिक्स मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा इन दैट केस. ठीक है, यहां पर मैंने लिस्ट दे रखा है. ऑल्दो द लिस्ट विल बी मोर यूजफुल व्हेनेवर यू आर अटेंडिंग एनी एग्जामिनेशन वेयर यू नीड टू अटेंड इंटरव्यू आल्सो आफ्टर द रिटन. तो वो इंटरव्यू के लिए ज्यादा काम आते हैं. बेसिक्स ऑफ इंश्योरेंस, टाइप्स ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, टाइप्स ऑफ नॉन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंश्योरेंस, वो सारे टॉपिक आपके लिए इंश्योरेंस के काम आते हैं. ऑल्दो इट इज देयर विद इन माय बैच में आपको मिल जाएंगे. इफ यू वांट टू कवर इट यू कैन कवर इट इन डिटेल. आप कवर कर सकते हो. Financial market is a topic based on which 2 to 3 question you can expect. That is related to bond, debenture, recent news regarding bond. उनके ऊपर क्वेश्चन मिल सकते हैं आपको. Last year SBI related question was there in the NICL examination. Recently SBI have launched perpetual bond to raise the money for Basel norms. Basel norms related fund arrange करने के लिए perpetual bond SBI ने raise किए हैं, issue किए हैं 5,000 crore रुपए. So expected question because bond related SBI was there last year also in the news, and payment settlement already I have told you in the starting. Complete preparation for your NICL exam you can do with the support of this batch. Here itself you have insurance awareness, current update related to insurance, financial market, banking awareness, current affairs, topic wise. So you will not have any confusion. I want to cover news of international importance. Separate topic is available month wise. You can cover from there. Okay. So all the best from my side guys to all of you. Do like the session, share with your friends so they can also get the complete idea regarding the preparation strategy of NICL assistant examination. Take care. Jai Hind. All the very best.